Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Twitter polls in order to increase engagement on your account and also to get content ideas. Now, as we already know, that on Twitter, in order to test a marketing strategy, you have to observe the accounts that you're following beforehand in order to get an idea of how you can use or spin the set feature to your own advantage. So we're going to do the same thing with polls as well. We're going to search Twitter for hashtag poll. And here we have it. These are the top polls currently. And you can also decide your filter. You can also decide what content or what kind of polls you want to see by modifying the filters here. So let's scroll down and we can see that there are verified accounts and they're using the hashtag poll. Regardless of background, you must have seen vile content on Twitter: violence, doxing, disinformation, misogyny, racism, or Islamophobia. We all found ourselves reporting a tweet or two. What is the reason you don't report more often? Now, this is something that's more opinionated. You can ask people for their opinions, and you can add either one or two choices, and you can also add more than that. Usually in a poll, there are two choices typically, but you can add more, and you can add more options and choices as well. So that's one way to do it. You can ask people for their opinion by using polls, number one. Number two is to ask a random question. And this is, you can use this kind of stuff in order to ask them about different ideas, in order to ask them what they'd like to see next from you, or what kind of content they'd like to see next from you. So this is another question, and this is more of a supernatural nature. So we're going to scroll past this. And we have another example here. One random retweet of this post will be awarded a $25 gift card to the retailer below of your choice. Now, this is also something they're trying to ask people what kind of retailer they'll like to have in order to be awarded a $25 gift card. And this is a giveaway or a contest kind of thing. So this might not be exactly our type of thing, but we have already seen above how we can use polls in order to create our own content. So we'll go back now and we're going to post our own poll. We're going to click here. Let's just ask a question. Okay, which blog would you like to see next? And we can insert a choice like social media marketing and SEM blog. And we can also decide the length of our poll and how long it's gonna last. So you can also add other options here, as you can see. And after you're done, after you're satisfied with the poll that you're going to create, you can just click on tweet. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can just click on remove poll. So this is how you do it. This is how you can add Twitter polls, and this is how you can use them in order to increase engagement with your audience. So go ahead and create your own poll today on Twitter.